How about I'm like the president I've never been elected? How about I'm like the dawn and I've never been rejected? Mwana wese kugombwe. Maxwell Chimeza, you knew this was coming, man. No way it wasn't coming to you, bruh.
Sometimes I'm facing problems that are of my own creation. Because of that I take the ownership of why I'm stressing. I could have done it better, now I'm looking at the lessons. Sometimes I wake up lazy and I'm lacking motivation. Sometimes I'm justified to blame the system, but I told myself I never play the victim card. I'm speaking up to power, but at times I make it worse for trying to fix it up. Sometimes I'm feeling cornered, asking who is in my corner. But how can I be cornered when I really have a circle? Rounding up criminals around me for a battle. I hadn't bet it casual, orchestrated like my cheso. Black bold, orchestrated, talkers hated, but it echoed. Runaway slaves on the runway, this the airport. Since my lyrics gonna fly overhead for the record, that's why I dumb it down a little bit before I record. The bragging in between the bars I rap is never the core. Sometimes I can't assist you cause I'm also caught up when I'm dealing with some issues. Have you ever thought of how some people try to keep you just to come to you, to treat you like a tissue? I've been on these roads like the middle name is John and the first name was Cecil. If earth is full of races, then which races have the whistles? It's reconciliations after years of making me lose. The ex who got away texting that they miss you, to misuse your gullibility by how they kiss you. I'm kicking knowledge for the ones who need it like jujitsu. Shouts to all the sisters and the brothers that will seek truth. There's nothing wrong with unity, but it can be a trick too. Never say that I was ever perfect, but I was never reckless. I know my consequences and my actions are connected. I learned to meditate it for my thoughts to be collected. That's why it's so coherent when you listen to my message. Dropping verses, chapters of my life will make a Bible. I learned to own the cases of my actions cause I'm liable. Majority of human population set to die broke. No living water in our lives, it's like a dry joke. Haha.
It's not funny though. You know, it's not funny. It's crazy out there, man. But this is a Maxwell Gombwe Chimeza freestyle. Maxwell Chimeza been my brother for a long time, you know. 2014, 2015. Always been telling me that my bars is dope. Always been doing an audio note to tell me that my bars is dope, man. So I gotta got bars for this nigga. Damn.